Western medical science is beginning to understand how the body is made of energy. Every cell in the body operates on certain frequencies. The body vibrates in tune with nature. When it falls out of tune, you get sick. I was involved in a car crash. I flew through the windshield about 30 yards and I landed on my spine and broke my spine in 3 pieces, literally. When I woke up, I was in so much pain. Can you imagine you cannot sleep 2 weeks, even if you're medicated with morphine and narcotics, and it does not even touch the surface of your pain. You comprehend how much suffering, and you don't want anyone to suffer like this. One day, I was introduced to interactive neurostimulation device, energy therapy. In 7 sessions, I completely recovered. And suddenly, pain is gone. You cannot ignore this. So, from that point onwards, I dedicated my life to get this out to people. Your body knows how to heal itself if it's got the right energy.
I bumped into a very interesting study from NASA where they use near-infrared light in space to help astronauts heal faster. I looked at what kind of wavelength of light they used and we started trying this.
We were using the products on our friends, and what I saw in changes just opened up my eyes for the kind of opportunity this is.
After 5 to 7 sessions, people had just such a dramatic reduction in pain.
It's the first time I can bring my elbow to full lock. Huge improvement in the motion and in the soft tissue. It feels less tight.
I think I'm pain-free at this moment. It's hard to believe.
Why can't I go to the pharmacy and instead of buying some ibuprofen, buy a device that can help me with my pain that has no negative side effects?
Right now, with the advent of new technology, especially in the LED and laser field, we are able to make a product 1/10 of the cost of what it used to be only a couple of years ago. We have in-house our own electronics design engineers, and also on the manufacturing side, a very, very strong team.
We make personal energy devices that empower your body to heal itself.
You guys changed my life. Thanks for giving me a new life.